receiving the most potent energy in the universe, the Kundalini Shakti, must be a tremendous and wonderful experience in one's life. And it was actually happened to me when it has happened for the first time in my life, when Guruji blessed with me through his Shaktipat. Since then, different dimensions of life has been opened, and that life has been transformed totally. Now it is felt nothing is impossible when this cosmic energy is guiding, when this cosmic energy is flowering inside. All the seeker must get this opportunity of awakening of Kundalini Shakti and rest its ecstasy, eternal peace, and a blissful life. Thank you.